I've been looking for a new windscreen that's black for this bike. I just haven't found one that fits. Like, I don't know. I can't find one that fits really. My freaking GoPro's always acting up. Well, not my GoPro, it's just my, hold on y'all, sorry I gotta move the camera. It's my SD card. I need to go get a new one. Because I have a video in there that, like, the sun overheated my camera. And I think it was that day of the PP1 meet and ride. It was that one, and that's when my camera started like messing up ever since then. So I'm rocking the Hero 8. So I want to upgrade soon. Can probably use my this GoPro, attach it to the top, so y'all can get the face point of view. And then, like I said in my last video, I've been looking for a 360 camera. Well, it's easy to get one. It's just the price is like, oh my god, it's too much. Yes, I know, Gaslight just came on. So we about to pull up in the books. Make sure I'm still recording. Yeah, we're good. Oh yeah, y'all, this is the Buc-ee's. I did my what's it called? My video. That whole day was, some of it was filmed here. Some of it was filmed at was filmed somewhere else, like on the road. But let's find a good spot to park at. I want to park like in a shade. I'm trying to see if he's here already also too. I don't think I see him. I see a Harley right over there, but that's about it. Oh, fuck, I'm just gonna go right here. No, I'll go over there. I'll go all the way up here. That's what we'll do. Park right here. Oh yeah, and then y'all, I really haven't showed y'all yet. But you see it, man. You see the carbon, man. I want to change this out, make it black, find another black piece for both sides, and change this out, make it carbon as well. I want this to be carbon. I'm thinking about changing my my front up here to a carbon as well, but I don't know though. My bike's dirty. It's alright, it's fine. Not trying to impress nobody. Yeah, see, it's on the other side. Carbon. Yeah, man.
And I lost him. I don't know where he went. I seen him, but then I'm like, where is this nigga at? Because he was cruising like at least 100. And then I just lost him. Oh, you got the shirt too?
Yeah, man. You gotta rep the stuff, man. I already gained like 3 subscribers just coming over here.
I was playing rock paper scissors with somebody on the highway. Is that so heavy?
Yes and no. It's heavy now since I put gas, but at first it was light as shit. I think it's like 3 something. Anyways, y'all, welcome back, man. We got the bro here, man. You know what I mean? Shout out to bro right here. We're about to go to an event type shit. You know what I mean? So I got some other, like I said, I got some other people coming and all that. Yeah, man.
We're gonna see if we can gap them today.
Oh God. Okay. What happened to your exhaust?
Took it off.
You took it off? What you had? You had to stop? Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
I think the cheapest one, like if you just want to get an exhaust that already, I think it's Graves.
Toast.
Toast is too. Toast, them bitches sound aggressive as shit, bro.
It's obnoxious as hell.
It's, bro. You getting the 2-pipe or the 1?
Huh?
You getting the 2-pipe or the 1?
I looked at it only for this bike. I went to the actual website.
Uh-huh.
And for the full exhaust and the, so like the slip on that goes on there, it was like 16, but it was like a 2.
16 is not bad.
I know.
Cause
at least $4 grand.
the exhaust I want is like close to 3. And then you gotta think about it, that's $3 grand right there. Then you gotta get it installed.
I looked on Cycle Gear, they got it, and I think that one was like 28, 26, some shit like that.
There's another bike shop, they got hella exhausts like over there.
When I get the toast, is it gonna come with a cat already in it?
No.
Oh, it's gonna be straight?
It's gonna be straight. It's gonna be straight open.
Alright, good, because that's how
I think the only one that comes with it, I think that's Graves. I don't know, but I think that's the only one that comes like with a cat in there.
What was the address?
What?
Oh, never mind.
I've never seen this color of the I've never seen this color.
Yeah, you only see green and shit.
You only see green, orange, sometimes sometimes that white one. Did you see the 24?
Bro, man, I wish I could have got that.
Bro,
It just has less
it's so, like, I sat on it, bro, and I honestly think it's a more aggressive riding position than an R6. I honestly think so.
Well, R6, they don't. I really want to go with an R6 because they ain't got power.
Yeah, they
They
don't.
got power, but I got a dude that has a cool, like, his bike got a lot of shit done. Flash, dyno, and I got him like.
At on Tuesdays at Cycle Gear, they be having they be doing that shit. I think it's like,
I was gonna set an appointment, but I gotta get the exhaust
oh yeah,
system first.
they do. I think it's like,
It's like 320 for
yeah, 324 a flash, and then
320 for them to put it on. But I think they put the exhaust on at a shop. They put
okay.
it on there. I think they just do tunes and dyno. I can't ride with gloves, bro. I just got these hoes.
Ride with gloves, bro. Promise you, bro.
Can you put these down more?
Yeah. Oh, I just gotta loosen it and then tighten it back up.
I think I would. I guess
No, it's what's it called? Like you might think, oh, like no, like as soon as you already right here, and you was talking about getting bar end mirrors.
I got one.
I don't like bar end mirrors,
I'm taking that bitch off.
and especially your shit is so low too. Shit, get some of these, bro.
Are those Rizoma?
Yeah,
The original Rizoma.
not the originals. The originals, hell fuck no. Those are like $500, bro.
I feel like it looks more aggressive stock.
He do. You got a mirror block? Yeah. You got,
I
yeah.
just put the bolts on.
Oh,
Are you ready?
yeah. So we about to head up to the event, y'all. And yeah, man. Bro's thinking about gapping me. I'm not letting it happen. I don't know if my bike's faster. I think it is, but it's not at the same time. Gotta wait.
got a pole right here, man. That shit's trying to go out the hill. I need some boots. I really need some boots. I don't know if y'all can hear Siri or not. I hope my camera doesn't bug out again. Where is he at? Oh, there he is. Look at the city. It looks beautiful. Messed up. We did a pool and I didn't ride it. Okay. Yeah, I did a pool, right? And I missed fourth. I missed the shift. I missed the shift up. I missed to go on the fourth. I'm so mad. He beat me. He got me, y'all. He got me. We took a L today, but we gonna bounce back.
We're recording? Yep. Where is Spice at, man? It's taking too long. Ah, my boss! Ah! Ah! Bro! Bro, it makes no sense, bro. It makes no sense. I've seen that. I've seen that on TikTok. Bro, there's nothing here. There's literally nothing here. I see it. Bro, what's up, bro? That shit cool. When we were pulling, I missed fourth, bro. I forgot to go on the fourth.
Huh?
I forgot to go on the fourth. I was in 3 the whole time. When we did that pull.
Wait, why would you go on fourth?
No, because I told you to go down in 3, and then we go up, right?
I don't know what you do. I normally go down the first and then...
Oh, you go to first? I normally go to 3.
You do 30 in the third gear?
Yeah. I do a pull in 3rd gear.
But then you're not getting power though. You're not gonna get power until you hit fourth.
I want to get it up there.
I'm saying when you do a pull, try it in first.
I don't like going to first. I don't know.
I mean, it kind of like, it feels like it's going...
Because if I go all the way in the fourth and I pull it, I'm going to go right up in the air.
See, not for me. It'll take me forever.
It'll take you forever? Yeah, for me,
Like,
if I easily just do this, if I just go like this, it's going to bring me right up. Bro, I seen this bike on TikTok, bro. I swear to God.
Oh, it's him over there in the jacket.
Bro, I seen Lil Deadpool, bro. This a F. Oh, this some new ones.
Yeah. I met him at cycle gear.
These some new ones. That bit clean. We got a nice little cushion seat too. What is this? An MT? This is a, I don't know what this is. It's not a 7. Anyways, y'all. 9? Yeah, okay, I see it right there.
I know that bitch sounds nice.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, man, we just got here. Ain't shit here, y'all. But hey, you know what I'm saying. I'm always gonna drop the content for y'all, man. You know what it is. So y'all see it. Got the Aprilla here. We got mine, zx-6r, Mt-o. No, that's the Mt-o. And then we got the 405. You know what I mean? We about to head to another event because ain't nothing over here. And yeah, oh, they jumped the curve. But yeah, we about to head down there and all that. So we got the bikes out, man. He's about to lead. I'm about to follow everybody, and then all that. We about to head to this another event. Oh my God, my music is loud. So yeah, he's about to lead, and then let's get this on the road, man. Woo! I don't know if y'all can see or not because it's so dark. Where's my mic at? Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see or not because it's so dark. This bike is nice. He got a 360. It's on too. Oh, his bike is fucking loud, even though it's a 400. It's loud. Deadpool. Oh, bound it in, man. Bound it in. All right, let's get it, y'all. We just cruising. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Everyone's house is loud. We just cruising to the next event. I don't really have much battery percentage left, So this video's gonna be like cutting in and out of the night drive. So yeah. So we just got here, y'all. It's hella fucking cars out here, man. Like some nice ass fucking cars, bro. That shit sounds so nice. Oh, look, you got carbon fiber on this shit too. I love carbon fiber. Y'all haven't noticed.
Hey, this is a nice ass beat, bro. The what?
Whew.
Damn. Hey, they still coming in. Hey, we got some good ass spots.
Alright, y'all, so we just left that meet, man. If y'all like the video, man, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, man. And subscribe to your boy, man. I greatly appreciate it. Road to 150 subscribers. You know what it is, man. And I'll catch you at the next one, man. Peace.